shopping for daily foods. Baguette. I buy a baguette for breakfast. Bread. I like fresh bread every morning. Milk. Cereal tastes better with milk. Cheese. A grilled cheese sandwich is my favorite snack. Bacon. Bacon goes well with eggs. Eggs. I make an omelet with eggs. Orange juice. Orange juice tastes sweet and fresh. Yogurt. Yogurt is good with fruit. Cereal. Cereal with milk is yummy. Rice. I'm going to make fried rice. Steak. Steak is my favorite food for dinner. Salami. I like to put salami in my sandwich. Ice cream. Ice cream is best with apple pie. Honey. I like to put honey on my pancakes. Jam. I like to put jam on my toast. Cake. A special cake for my sister's birthday. Popcorn. My family loves popcorn during movies.